A car lies flipped on its back underneath the Gardiner Expressway after Toronto police say an impaired driver crashed through a construction site and plunged through a hole.
At approximately 5:37 p.m., our 911 center received multiple calls about a vehicle traveling westbound through a construction area.
The vehicle was reportedly driving westbound in the eastbound lanes when it drove into a construction site between Strawn Avenue and Dufferin Street, part of the long-term construction on the expressway.
I was supposed to be on site working.
Ricardo is a construction worker and says he was supposed to be working in the area where the car landed, just north of Exhibition Place, but as luck would have it, Ricardo was late.
I'm more than lucky because I should be here like 5 minutes. If I was here 5 minutes earlier, probably it would be worse right now. So I feel great.
When first responders arrived, the driver, who was the only person in the vehicle, was sitting beside his mangled gray Honda.
A male party in his 30s has been arrested for impaired driving.
Police are appealing for any witnesses, especially those with dash cam footage, so they can piece together how this driver accessed the construction site. Remarkably, only minor injuries were reported. In Liberty Village, Michelle Mackey, City News.